My research is looking at tolerance and ethno-cultural empathy. It's particularly important at this time because we can see that there's been an increase in hate crime and there's been an increase in the popularity of far-right parties. So I've created a set of resources which can be used in schools to try to increase levels of tolerance and ethno-cultural empathy.
It's really important that we teach our children and the next generation to instill these important values. These materials that Wendy has provided us with have been really useful and they will be beneficial for teachers, especially during the current climate. Hopefully, this will have a really positive impact on children that are growing up in Wales, and hopefully this will be the change of a next generation where they'll be much more understanding of other people's races and cultures and empathetic towards it as well.